Hey guys, what I have here is a Kia key fob, and I'm going to quickly show you how to replace the battery in it. This key fob came off of a 2015 Kia Forte, but there are several other Kia models that use this exact same fob. And the only thing you need to do this is a small screwdriver. So what you'll need to do is you'll want to flip out the key, and then just take your small screwdriver and just put it in between where the key normally sits, and if you just pry up, you'll notice the back cover should come right off. So once the back cover is off, just take your small flathead screwdriver and then just pop out the battery. And then take your new battery and then just pop it back in. And then take the back cover and then just press it back in, and you'll hear a click. There you go. And that's how you replace the battery in your Kia key fob.